From my childhood, like from 4 years I can remember, I used to get disease in between, and I would go to the doctors. My dad and mom would take me to hospitals. Dad would especially like take me always to the hospital, and it was always a point that doctors would just give me medicines and they would never be able to diagnose anything. So then finally there came like, I was totally discouraged with the medicines, and taking a lot of medicines worried me.
जेमी को बचपन में गंभीर बीमारियों से जूझना पड़ा। 12वीं कक्षा में पढ़ने के दौरान ही वो कई बार अस्पतालों के चक्कर लगा चुकी थी। यहाँ तक कि उसके अपेंडिक्स का भी ऑपरेशन उन्हीं दिनों हो चुका था।
And I had this severe leg pain, and we went like to different medical colleges searching for this, like did several tests, lot of tests, and doctors were not able to find anything. When the doctors were like not able to find anything, then one this orthopedic doctor said, okay, we'll do one thing, I think it's a TB, we just need to take a biopsy. And that night I was like crying and crying. My dad also got so upset.
जेमी के पिता यीशु पर पूरी तरह से विश्वास करते थे। एक दिन जब वो असहनीय दर्द से गुजर रही थी, तब उन्होंने वहां आकर उसके लिए प्रार्थना करनी शुरू कर दी।
All of a sudden the pain left me, and then gradually I started feeling comfortable. It was not one day that it got vanished. It gradually started reducing that I could do normal activities.
पढ़ाई खत्म करने के बाद जेमी का सपना डॉक्टर बनने का था, और उस सपने को पूरा करने के लिए वो MBBS करने चीन रवाना हो गई। लेकिन उसको ये पता नहीं था कि वहां भी उसकी बीमारी उसका पीछा आसानी से नहीं छोड़ने वाली।
I had this stomach problem with blood and stools, and doctors couldn't they were suspecting it to be a serious problem like ulcerative colitis, a disease called that. I was like totally going through a stage where I was scared because parents are not with me. I'm all alone in a new country, and that's when like I was totally emotionally disturbed a lot.
हताशा भरे इस माहौल में जेमी को याद आया कि किस तरह से परमेश्वर ने उसके अतीत में उसे चंगाई दी थी, और उसने एक बार फिर यीशु से उनकी दया और उनकी चंगाई के लिए निवेदन करने की सोची।
It was summertime. It was not a time when China normally it never rains at that time, at that period. So then I was like, I asked God, God, if it is your will, I need a clear sign. And it might be a stupid thing to ask God for rain, but then I was like a small child, I wanted God to like answer me. This was the only way I knew to communicate with God, to hear Him speak. So I was like, God, I need rain. And I was like, God, tomorrow it should rain, and I'll take it as a sign from you.
और अगला दिन उसको हैरान कर देने के लिए काफी था। उस दिन जेमी ने वो देखा जो उसने अपने जीवन में सोचा भी नहीं था।
And the next day it started raining from evening 5 o'clock, and then doubt started gripping, and I was like, is this a rain that God is giving, or is it just probably it was there in the weather forecast or something? It rained. I was like, God, I want this rain. It started at 5. I want it to last till 12. And I was like, God, till 12 let it last, and I'll know that it is your answer for my prayer. I was in the balcony all the while waiting to see if it will rain even one bit after that, and not one drop fell on my arms after that.
जेमी के लिए वो एक अनोखा अनुभव था। उसने ये जान लिया कि यीशु जीवित परमेश्वर हैं, और उन्होंने विशेष रूप से उसकी प्रार्थनाओं का जवाब दे दिया था।
I was like, God, I know now that this is you. I knew for sure like God was answering my prayer, and that everything is perfect plan, and God is just making all things in His own time. Like everything will come to pass in His own time. Be it healing, be it sickness, be it my career, everything. That is when I was like, no, now I cannot live anymore for my desires, for anything that I long to be. I long to be a doctor. I long to live for my family, to make them happy. But that was never more like that. Changed, like total shift, like 360-degree shift happened that day. Like I was like, God, now I know that I need to stand strong for you.
परमेश्वर से इस प्रार्थना के बाद जेमी ने जान लिया कि यीशु न सिर्फ प्रार्थनाओं का उत्तर देते हैं, बल्कि वो एक के बाद एक अनोखे चमत्कार भी दिखाते हैं।
I felt the healing in my body, and I really like I know that I was healed completely.
यीशु को अपना उद्धारकर्ता माने जेमी को आज 5 साल बीत चुके हैं। आज यीशु ही उसके सब कुछ हैं। डॉक्टर बनने के अपने सपने को भी आज वो पूरा कर चुकी है।
It God, in Christ, I'm more than a conqueror, and it's the best thing that anyone can have in life, to have God and to live a life with Him, like to make Him our best friend, our lover, our father. It's more than amazing. No other relationship of this world can ever match up to that.